A goal without a plan is just a wish. Being said that, I strongly believe our event Biotechons would have been a stepping stone in transforming all your wishes into a successful goal. Good evening to one and all present here. I'm happy to meet you all again in the second and the final day event of the Biotechons 2020. With a platform filled with lots of fun, along with exposure to the technical side as well. Events such as quiz, connections, mysterious magic should have definitely boosted and refreshed your locked mind in this lockdown. Winning isn't just about the prizes, but it's all about rectifying your errors and transforming to the best you can. The idea presentation, which was conducted as a part of technical event, must have surely helped you in addressing your strengths as well as to improve your technical skills to bring the winner in you. And on the top of above, Biotech was focused on the gathering of freshers of the department, and I hope it must have been a good start to them. And now, before moving on to the valediction, I would like to ask a few students for their valuable feedbacks. I would like to invite Amrita, the quiz coordinator, to share a few words with us.
This was a new experience to us as we have organized the events in our own department, but it's a different because it's online and we have gained more experience through this. The event was so nice, and I thank my department staffs and students for conducting this event and making it as a grand success. Thank you.
And now, as we are at the end of our event, before moving on to the session, let me invite our student coordinator, Vigneshwar, for a few words with us.
Respected Deputy Dean, Head of the Department, faculties and my dear friends, very good afternoon to one and all. And there's a quote that gratitude is the powerful thing and the simplest thing one person can give to another. Here I am to show my gratitude to all of you for making this event as successful with your contributions. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the winners, which is yet to be disclosed. And I like to extend my sincere thanks to the department as well as the college management for providing the permission to conduct the event. And I deliver my hearty vote of thanks to our event coordinator, Dr. Sai Ramesher, who has traveled along with us for the full journey and for his tremendous efforts and support. And I am talking here on behalf of my friends who had given their shoulders and have strived with me for this full event day and night within a short span of time to give us such a wonderful, successful event. And moreover, it was very nice connecting this event online, and you have proved that. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Vigneshwar.
Yes.
And finally, I would like to dedicate this success of the event to my beloved friend Harish, and who is not with us, but his grace and devil blessings will remain with us forever. Thank you, one God, for your participation and contribution. Thank you.
Thank you, Vigneshwar. I hope as a student coordinator, you have done your best to engage all the students into this Biotech event. And now let me call upon Dr. A. Sai Ramesh, Associate Professor, Department of Biotechnology, and as well as the event coordinator of Biotech for his valediction.
Thank you, Harshavina. Let me take the opportunity to thank and not much time before declaring the winners through the HOD of the department and Dean PPP of Wheeltech High-Tech, Deputy Dean of PPP. So I am here to thank the department and the management for giving their support, extending their support for consecutively 3 years to conduct Biotechons every year for the benefit of the students and the most important people, the final year students who took this as a challenge, because every time Biotechons, whenever it happens with a very short notice, and it always has hurdles Above all, the challenges are always taken to success. And this Biotechions VT20 has also seen a same success like its previous Biotechions. And I'm happy for the current final years to contribute their complete hard work and enthusiasm in making this event a grand success. Thank you, final years, and I also give away my best wishes for your future endeavors and career path. Last, I would like to thank my colleagues, the department head, dean, for the support and trust they have on me for conducting the Biotechions. With this note, I thank all the other participants without whom this event is uh, not going to be a very in a very good big way. So to all the participants, we are sure that you had learned something from the programs and the games that has been conducted, as well as the idea presentation and quiz that you have participated. So with the learnings that is there, we will end up this Biotechions event officially now after declaring the results of all the events that has happened till now. Over to
Sir,
Harshit. Yes,
sir, Hira, yes, sir.
tell me, Hira.
1 minute can I take, sir, please, to talk?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Over to
thank you,
Hira then.
sir.
After Hira, Hashalina,
Yes.
you can ask Nyan Shekhar and sir. By then, I would display the results of all participants, all the events.
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, so thank you, sir. First of all, I need to thank you, sir. Thanks, Aramin, sir, because Biotechions is only not to welcome the freshers. It is something a technical to have it, because making the idea presentation as a part of the Biotechions 2020, we have created the opportunity for the students to grow professionally and technically as well, because we learn so many things each moment, but how we express whatever we have learned, that matters a lot. And it is an art, actually. The way you express, the way you get the attention from the people, that matters a lot. That will give you the accolades from everyone of the surrounding, or that makes you stand out of the crowd. So I think all the participants, second and third year, have made use of this opportunity wonderfully well. And this time, the next year, the coming third year would be taking this Biotechions to the next level. My congratulations and my wishes too. Thank you, sir. Ashwina can take.
Thank you, Hira.
Thank you, Hira, and thank you, sir. I hope as an event coordinator from the beginning of the Biotechions journey, you have been with us. And as a part of the juniors, even we have participated in the event. And now we are proud in connecting the event and hosting this event along with you, sir. And now let me invite Mr. A. Nyanashekaran, sir, the head of the Department of Biotechnology, for a few words with us.
Good evening to all. It's a pleasure to be here in this event. I want to really thank all the entire team, that is final year team, and also the participant who have done this 2 days event as a grand success. And special thanks to the event coordinator, Dr. Sai Ramesh. So for the last 3 years, he is working continuously to develop these type of activities and to have a good interaction with the students, and also to welcome the first year students. The present final year, I think you are the first batch to get this opportunity. When you are joining in the second year, I know that you are the first batch to get this Biotechions. So today you are hosting for your juniors. The days are very fast. The 3 years are already passed in a very fast manner. So it's very enjoyable moment that when you are there as freshers, your seniors gave, and now you are in the stage and you are giving in a better way to your juniors. So this should be continuing, so that the participants from the third years now, I think you all will have some understanding how to conduct the event. So you will be taking over from your seniors, and next year you will be giving your best input to conduct this event. So I really thank all the members, and also I congratulate the prize winners who have given their best in the various competition. So thank you all, and a special again I thank Mr. Dr. Sai Ramesh for his effort, because we gave him a very short interval of time to organize the whole things. If I'm not wrong, not even 1 week, 1 week to 8, maybe mostly is 7 to 8 days. Within this short interval, I think he has put his effort, and his team, who is working with him also. I think they are working continuously, making a lot of effort, because conducting in online is not an easy task. Offline is you can get many help, but online I think it is very difficult to conduct. But that also I think the team members have proved that they are can capable of conducting, and even through online. So the department is really proud of this type of team members and their hard work. Thank you to all, and I congratulate again for the winners. Harshavina, you can take over the session.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for allowing us and supporting us for making this Biotechnions event a successful one. And I hope all the freshers must have definitely benefited by this event, though it's an online platform, and we have this virtual meeting. And I hope, even though we don't have the physical contact, by the virtual meeting, I hope all the freshers must have known what our department is up to. And with no further delay, let me invite Dr. D. Yuvraj, sir, for a few words with us.
ஹாய் ஆல். நீங்கள் எதுவுமே சொல்லாமல் கொள்ளாமல் நடுவில் கூப்பிட்டுறீங்க ப்ரிப்பேரே ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. திடீர்னு சாய் ரமேஷ் சொல்லியிருக்காரு உங்களுக்கு. சாய் ரமேஷ் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி வச்சிருக்காரு. No, nothing like that. Because you've already rocked for the past 2 days. You people have rocked for the past 2 days. We were silent spectators here. So anyways, congrats all winners and all the participants, more importantly, because they had taken the effort to participate, and because of them, this event was a great success. And once again, definitely we'll all have to thank Sai Ramesh's effort, along with the final year team. Like a team of Avengers, they have put a great fight for the past week and brought out a great event like this. I can't name a few because all the final years have worked, they have put their complete tiresome effort in this. Definitely a great applause has to be given to the final years, and to Sai Ramesh, of course, the captain of the team. All the participants who have done well, and the winners who have done extremely well. So congrats all again. You know, usually this Biotechnions event, it would be conducted during the working days, and Sai Ramesh has the knack of usually getting leaves during the conduction of Biotechnions. Whenever he plans to conduct Biotechnions, we would definitely get a holiday. But unfortunately, this time it was conducted on during a lockdown period, and we were unable to get holidays. Maybe Sai Ramesh, next year when we try, do it in a working day so that we will have a good set of holidays coming up. So enjoy. Have a great week coming ahead. Classes on 3 attend பண்ணுங்க. Let's hope we all meet soon. All the best again.
Thank you, sir. Please don't leave. So you have to.
No, I'm not leaving. I'm definitely
for
here.
the award.
Definitely here.
ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், என் பேர் விக்கி. ஃபைனல் இயர் பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். இது தாங்க நம்ம காலேஜ். இது தாங்க பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். இங்கே நாங்கள் படிக்கிறதை தாண்டி நிறையா பண்ணுவோம். லைக் ஃபுட் கார்னிவல் பண்ணோம், அப்புறம் பயோத்ரோன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணோம். பட் இதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் பண்ணால் கூட பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுன்னு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் ஈவெண்ட் இருக்குங்க. அதுதாங்க எங்க இப்படியே ஜாலியாக போன எங்கள் லைஃப்பில் நடுவில் வந்தாங்க ஒரு வில்லன். பட் என்னதான் இவன் வில்லனாக இருந்தாலும் இந்த உலகத்துக்கு இந்த பயோடெக்னாலஜிஸோட அருமையை புரிய வச்சது இவன் தாங்க. பட் என்னதான் இருந்தாலும் இவன் வந்து அப்புறம் எங்கள் லைஃபே ஒரு மாதிரி மாறிடுச்சுங்க. ஒன்றா இருந்த நாங்கள் தனியாக ஆயிட்டோம். கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் ஆன்லைனில் வந்துருச்சு. அதுவும் இந்த டீச்சர் பாடுற பாடு இருக்கே,
என்ன ஆகுறீங்களா? அமைதியாகுது, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அமைதியாகுது, தாங்க முடியல.
பட் எப்படியோங்க இந்த கொரோனா லீவை நம்ம எப்படியோ ஓட்டிட்டோம். ஒரு பக்கம் ஐபிஎல்ல ஆர்ஜே பாலாஜியோட கமெண்ட்ரி, இன்னொரு பக்கம் பிக் பாஸ்ல பாலாஜியோட சண்டை, அப்புறம் நடுவில் இந்த காமெடி பீஸுங்க வேற.
கண்ணந்தேவன் டீ புடி, சிஎஸ்கே புடி புடி.
பட் இருந்தாலும் எங்களுக்குள்ள நிறைய டவுட்டுங்க. எப்போதான் காலேஜ் ஓப்பன் ஆகும்? நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் திருப்பி பார்க்க முடியுமா? முக்கியமாக பயோடெக்யான்ஸ் கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சா?
Definitely not.
Thank you all. We can close the meet. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ramya ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.